welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to reopen Snapchats already viewed. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply tap open your Snapchat and then simply go to your chats. So once you're in your chat section, you will end up in this kind of interface. So now if you want to reopen a snap that is already viewed, you will just get one chance. So as you can see that the red empty box shows that you have already viewed that particular snap. So to reopen that snap, you need to simply hold to replay. So now once you hold to replay, you will end up having the snap that is visible again. So simply tap on that particular option and you will be able to simply reopen the Snapchats that you have already viewed. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.